Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best French door toaster ovens that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Elite Gourmet ETO 2530M Double French Door Countertop Toaster Oven. This model is a solid entry-level choice with a 25-liter capacity, making it ideal for smaller families or kitchens with limited counter space. It can fit up to 6 slices of toast, a 12-inch pizza, or even an 11-pound roast, offering decent versatility for its size. The standout feature here is the dual French door design, which not only looks sleek, but also saves space by allowing you to open one or both doors independently. Design-wise, the Elite Gourmet ETO 2530M is a mix of stainless steel and black, lending it an industrial yet modern aesthetic. The 3 rack positions provide flexibility for cooking multiple dishes at once, and the inclusion of a baking pan and wire rack adds to its practicality. However, the controls are entirely manual, relying on knobs to set temperature and time, which might feel a bit dated compared to digital interfaces on other models. In terms of performance, this toaster oven delivers reliable results with its 1,500-watt power and adjustable thermostat, which ranges from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's particularly good for basic tasks like baking, broiling, and toasting, but it doesn't have advanced features like convection cooking or air frying. The 60-minute timer with an indicator bell is a nice touch, but may feel limiting for more complex recipes. If you're on a budget and need a straightforward, no-frills toaster oven, this is a good option. That said, the lack of advanced features and a relatively smaller capacity puts it lower on our list. Coming in at number 4, we have the Gourmet Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo GTF 7460. This is our budget-friendly pick, priced at just $107.22. But don't let the low price fool you. It packs a decent punch. With 17 preset cooking functions, including air fry, toast, bake, dehydrate, and reheat, this model offers a lot of versatility for its price point. Its compact size makes it ideal for micro-living spaces, dorm rooms, or RVs, while still being able to fit a 12-inch pizza or up to 6 slices of bread. In terms of design, the Gourmet GTF 7460 features a sleek black finish with single-pull French doors for added convenience. The touch control panel is intuitive, allowing you to select time, mode, and temperature with just a few clicks. It also includes essential accessories like a fry basket, oven rack, baking pan, and crumb tray, which is a great value add at this price. While the exterior is made of plastic, the interior features Fry-Force 360 degrees technology that ensures even cooking with 360-degree air circulation. Performance-wise, this model is perfect for quick meals and snacks. However, it has a lower maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit compared to some competitors, and the materials feel less premium, which is understandable for a budget option. On the bright side, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. If you're looking for an affordable option that still offers a wide range of cooking functions, the Gourmet Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo is a fantastic choice, though it does lack some of the advanced capabilities found in higher-end models. At number 3, we have the Midea Flexify French Door Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo. Priced at $159.99, this model strikes a great balance between affordability and high performance. With a 26.4-quart capacity, it's one of the largest ovens on our list, capable of handling a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or up to 14 chicken wings in one go. Its Cyclone air fryer technology cooks 25% faster and uses 90% less oil, making it a healthier choice for families looking to cut back on grease without sacrificing flavor. The Midea Flexify boasts a stylish stainless steel design with anti-scald double French doors and a large LED digital display. The 10-in-1 functionality includes air fry, bake, broil, roast, toast, and dehydrate, among others, giving you flexibility for a variety of recipes. Adjustable temperature increments in 5-degree steps and precise time controls allow for fine-tuned cooking, which is a standout feature. However, it doesn't include advanced options like rotisserie or slow cooking. Performance-wise, this model is reliable and efficient. It heats up quickly and eliminates the need for preheating when using the air fry function. The accessories, including a crumb tray, air fry basket, and baking rack, are also of high quality. On the downside, it's not dishwasher safe, and the lack of a rotisserie option might be a deal breaker for some. However, if you're looking for a large capacity toaster oven with excellent air frying performance, the Midea Flexify is a strong contender. Coming in at number 2 is the Elite Gourmet ETO 4510M French door convection oven. Priced at $124.99, this oven offers incredible value for its massive 45-liter capacity, making it perfect for larger families or those who love to entertain. It can fit up to 18 slices of toast at once, or roast a 7-pound turkey, and it features 4 rack positions for maximum cooking flexibility. The convection fan ensures even cooking, making it ideal for baking, roasting, and toasting, while the rotisserie function adds versatility to your cooking repertoire. The design features dual French doors that open independently, saving counter space and adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The stainless steel and black finish are both modern and durable, and the 4 control knobs are easy to use, though they lack the precision of digital controls. Accessories include 2 12-inch pizza racks, a rotisserie spit, and a crumb tray, making it a great starter kit for home cooks. In terms of performance, this model is a workhorse. It has independent temperature controls for the top and bottom heating elements, which is great for fine-tuning your cooking. The 60-minute timer with auto shutoff ensures safe operation, but the lack of a digital interface might deter those who prefer more modern tech. Overall, the Elite Gourmet ETO 4510M is a fantastic option for those who need a high-capacity toaster oven without breaking the bank. Finally, at the top spot, we have the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Priced at $199.99, this premium model is the ultimate all-in-one appliance, offering a whopping 24 cooking presets, including air fry, bake, roast, slow cook, and even rotisserie. Its 26-quart capacity is perfect for families, capable of fitting a 12-inch pizza, a 6-pound chicken, or dishes for up to 6 people. The dual-speed fan ensures even cooking with 360-degree air circulation, delivering crispy, golden results every time. Design-wise, this oven is a showstopper. The stainless steel finish exudes sophistication, and the elegant French doors open with a single pull for convenience. The interior light allows you to monitor your food without opening the doors, which helps maintain consistent temperatures. The touchscreen controls are intuitive and modern, making it easy to navigate the plethora of cooking options. It also comes with 7 accessories, including a rotisserie kit, baking pan, and wire rack, providing excellent value. Performance is where the Emeril Lagasse truly shines. With a maximum temperature of 500 degrees Fahrenheit and automatic shutoff, it's both powerful and safe. Whether you're air frying for a healthier meal or slow cooking for a tender roast, this model does it all with ease. The only downsides are its large footprint and higher price point. But for those who want the best of the best, the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven is worth every penny. It's the perfect blend of style, functionality, and performance, making it our top pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.